Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Eagle. This is the C Sharp Ultimate Crash Course Build Code Conquer. If you are new to the technology or why with the C Sharp, you are in the right place. In this playlist, we are learn C Sharp from scratch, step by step. We avoid the boring stuff and just straight to the point. I will give you the surety if you follow this course, you are able to code with the C Sharp as well as you are able to build a project with the .NET. As a beginner, whenever we learn new technology or new things, we have some question in our minds. Like suppose we take the example of C sharp. So first question in our mind, what is the C sharp and why we learn a C sharp? So for this, I already created a one doc file for you. So here it is. So first question, what is the C sharp? So C Sharp is a very popular object-oriented programming language which is used to create a different type of software application. C Sharp is used to create a window app, web app, mobile app, and game app, and API. C Sharp is a cross-platform. Cross-platform, what mean a cross-platform? C Sharp can run on multiple operating system. Suppose we can write like Java, we convert a code into a bytecode and then we run on a multiple different operating systems. Same like a C sharp. C sharp firstly convert a code into the intermediate programming language, and then we run on a multiple operating system. And next point is open source. C sharp is open source. Yeah, C sharp is available for free, and its source code is also available in publicly. And our next point is statistical type. A variable type should be known at compile time. What that means? The data type of C sharp is known at a compile time. C sharp concept is more similar to the Java and C++. Yes, this is true. C sharp concept is more similar to the Java and C sharp. Our next point is C sharp was designed to be a simple and easy to use. It does not support difficult concept like a pointer. Yeah, now C sharp is very simple and easy to understand, and it does not support the concept like a pointer. Oh. What's our next question? Why should we learn a C sharp or why C sharp? Okay. As I told you, C sharp is very easy to learn. Job demand of C sharp is very good. Using C sharp, we can work with the .NET framework. Who don't know what is a .NET, we see in our upcoming video. .NET is a basically a C sharp framework. Using this, we can create a web application and console application. Uh, yes, it is a base for window app, web app, and backend. Yeah, we can make a game using Unity. Unity, who does not know the Unity? Unity is a gaming platform. So using C sharp, we can also make the games using the Unity, and it is used in a many big company like a Wipro, Accenture, TCS. Yeah, C sharp used in a many uh, big company, Wipro, Accenture, TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, etc. C sharp. First is a object-oriented programming language. C sharp support the object-oriented programming language means it encourages the use of classes and object. I will tell you in very easy way. Like object-oriented is implement a real-world entity into the specific programming language. Like suppose we take an example of person. Person have identity like Aadhaar card. Person have name. Person have employee of some company. So how we implement? We create a one class. We create a data type variables for this Aadhaar card, name, employee, company name, which department work in employee, like that. Uh, Second is simplicity. As I told you, C Sharp is very simple. C Sharp was designed to be simple and easy to use. The syntax of the C Sharp is very clean, and many complex features found in the other language are not here, like pointer. And C Sharp is similar to the Java and C++, but simple. A third, robust. C Sharp is a robust language that ensure a high reliability and easy debugging. Feature like exception handling, garbage collection, type setting contribute its reliability, allow developer to write secure and error-free code. Fourth one is security. C# provide built-in security feature like a type safety, which prevent many type of error and security. CLR, Command Language Runtime, responsible checks for type safety and make sure that code does not support access memory outside its boundary. C Sharp and our fifth point is portability. C Sharp is a part of a .NET ecosystem which allow us to write a code that can be executed on different platforms like Windows, MacBook, and Linux, etc. Sixth, high performance. C Sharp give a high performance because it is a fast, safe, and smart. C Sharp code is converted into a machine code just before running. C Sharp automatically remove the unused memory with the help of garbage collector. C Sharp avoid a silly mistake. If you are use wrong data, it will show error earlier at a compile time. And C Sharp support a multi-threading so we can do multiple tasks at the same time. Who does not know the multi-threading? What is the multi-threading? We can see very detail in our upcoming video. But as of now, I will tell you multiple process run in a simultaneously. This is called a multi-threading. Okay. Um, and next is what we learn in this course. We understand the syntax of C Sharp, basic of C Sharp, data types, variable, operator, method in C Sharp, what is object oriented programming language, class, object, all the pillars of object oriented. We see the arrays, loops, enhanced loops, collection, exception handling. In exception handling, we see in very detail try catch, finally block, custom exception, and also we see the multi-threading, synchronization, delegates, events, garbage collector, window form, ADO.NET, and perform a CRUD operation. Apart of them, we can see the ADO, ASP core MVC, and then we build APIs for using a .NET. So stay tuned with this course. You can learn and everything is related to the C Sharp and .NET. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for amazing content. See you in the next video.